Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about the Astar crypto, and I'm going to explain how to buy it if you want to, because right now it's a cryptocurrency that's getting a lot of attention. So maybe you don't know how to buy it, and this tutorial is made for you. Of course, it also works with all other cryptocurrencies. If you're a beginner, you can watch this tutorial. If you want to buy any crypto, it will work the same way. Just before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Visco Trading. On this channel, I make a lot of crypto tutorials. So don't hesitate, I'm just starting the channel. So thank you for your support and leave a like below the video. I'll improve the quality of the videos as time goes on. So thanks to everyone who supports me, I really appreciate it. So let's get started right away. Currently, Astar is at $1.36. So here's its chart. As you can see, it had a huge pump at the beginning. When it launched, it pumped and then stabilized a bit, and right now it looks like it's starting to gain strength again. So maybe there will be another pump soon, we'll see. But that's not the topic today. Today I'm just going to show you how to get some. So quite simply, the first step, I recommend you go to my YouTube channel. And you'll be able to find a link here. So feel free to click on it right here. The link might also be in the video description, but it works. Sometimes it doesn't work, so just go directly to my channel profile. And you'll find the link, so you'll end up here and you can click on the first kucoin right here. This is the site where you can buy Astar, where you'll create an account. And so, by using this link, why did I tell you to use this link? It's because you'll get a huge bonus. So it's better to go through this link than to just sign up directly on the site. It's really better to use the link because look, you'll get $11,000 in bonuses on your first trades, etc. if you complete the initial tasks. But at least you'll get a huge bonus. So that's thanks to this link. So it's very important. So you can create an account either with an email or a phone number. And you'll be able to create the account. And then they'll send you a code that you'll need to enter, either by SMS or by email. And once that's done, your account will be created. And I'll show you the next step. So once you're logged into kucoin with your account, it also works on your phone, of course, it's the same thing. Once you've created your account, if you're on your phone, feel free to install kucoin, the app, from your app store. Next, you'll just need to verify your identity to access the entire marketplace. Verifying your identity is very easy. You go to your account and then directly here to identity verification. It's really the thing you need to do. Basically, it's very important to be able to continue, so it only takes 5 minutes, don't worry, it's very quick. Once that's done, we can go directly here to buy crypto. You'll click here, buy crypto, and then you'll see right here that you can buy cryptocurrency with the currency of your choice. So if you want to use your USD or any other currency, you can find all the currencies here. Very important, and you can directly select the cryptocurrency you want to buy right here. As you can see, you can't buy ASTR directly, which is why you'll first need to buy USDT as a priority. It's with this USDT that you'll then be able to buy Astar. So for example, if you want to put in, say around $1,000, you can either do it by credit card to go faster, or you can do it via a deposit if you already have USDT on another platform. You go to deposit, copy the address they give you to deposit USDT, and you'll be able to do it. Once you have your USDT, I'll show you how to access your ASTR. So if you pay directly by credit card right here, you'll have your USDT in your wallet right after your purchase. And then I'll show you the next steps now. So next, we're going to go directly to trade and then to spot trading. So spot is for standard cryptocurrencies. So we're going to click here. You can even search directly for STR, but let's go to spot first to see what it looks like. For those who aren't really familiar, so you arrive right here. Now what you're going to do is search for the cryptocurrency Astar. So right here, you're going to type in ASTR. And you can see that ASTR appears. USDT, that's the one we're interested in because you'll have USDT, so you can actually exchange USDT for ASTR. So there you go, the price of ASTR is right here, as you can see, 1.36. And you can buy some with your USDT. Now normally your USDT won't be directly here, so you'll need to make a small transfer. You'll click on this little icon, transfer, and normally your USDT will be in this wallet. So you'll need to send them to the trading wallet. For me, it's already done. You see, look, there's 0. All the USDT are in this wallet, as you can see, and now I can buy my Astar. The easiest way is to buy at market price right here at market. You can enter the amount you want to spend, for example, $1,000 on Astar, and you just have to click on buy. There you go. Or if you want to buy Astar at a specific price, you go to limit. For example, I want to buy Astar if it drops back down to $1.30. Let's do this example. So I want a certain amount of Astar. You can enter it right here or in dollars in USDT. So I'm going to put 1,000 and it tells me that would give me 769 Astar. So I click buy Astar. There we go. And so it places my order right here, as you can see. And this will buy Astar at $1.30 if the price drops to $1.30. The order will be executed immediately and I'll get my Astar. However, if the price, as you can see on the chart right here, if the price keeps going up, my Astar will never be bought. So it really only works if the price of Astar comes down here. That's how a limit order works. But in both cases, if you want to buy at the current price, you just have to select market and enter the amount you want to buy. So you put in your USDT for Astar. You just click on buy and it will purchase right here at the current market price. So there you go, right here. So yeah, that's obviously the easiest way. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to ask any questions you have in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'm counting on you. See you in upcoming crypto tutorials. With that, see you next time.